Imagine your Notion workspace coming alive, automatically updating and communicating with all your other essential apps a circumflex euros. That's the magic of Zapier. Today, we're going to unlock unprecedented productivity by showing you exactly how to connect your Notion with the power of Zapier. Get ready to automate repetitive tasks and free up your valuable time. First, head over to Zapier.com and log in or create an account. Once you're in, you'll want to click on the prominent Create a Zap button. This is where the magic begins. Now, let's set up your trigger. Think of this as the if this happens part of your automation. Click on the Trigger App field and search for Notion. Select it. Next, choose the specific Notion event that will kick off your automation. For instance, you might want to trigger a zap when a new page is added to a specific database. In Notion, select that option from the drop-down. You'll then need to connect your Notion account to Zapier. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your Notion workspace. This usually involves a simple login and permission grant. Once connected, you'll test your trigger to ensure Zapier can pull data from your Notion. This confirms the connection is working correctly. Now for the action. This is the then do this part. Click on the Action App field and browse for the app you want to connect to Notion. It could be Google Sheets, Slack, Gmail, or thousands of other options. Let's say we want to add a task to our to-do list in Todoist. Select your action app and then choose the specific action you want to perform. For our Todoist example, we'll select Create Task. Much like with the trigger, you'll connect your Todoist account to Zapier, granting it the necessary permissions. The crucial step here is mapping the data. You'll tell Zapier which information from your Notion trigger should populate the fields in your action. For instance, you can map the task name from your Notion page to the task title in Todoist. You can also customize other details like due dates, priorities, or assignees, pulling that information directly from Notion. After mapping your fields, test your action to verify that the data is being sent correctly to your chosen app. Finally, turn on your Zap. From this moment on, every time that trigger event occurs in Notion, your action will automatically happen in the other app, saving you immense time and effort. Explore the possibilities a circumflex euros. Create new Google Calendar events from Notion tasks. Send Slack notifications when a project status changes, or automatically log form submissions into your Notion database. Zapier and Notion together are your ultimate productivity duo.